acnes as well. So it could be hormonal, it could be from you just being dirty, or stress. Well, that'd be part of hormones as well. All types of stuff. You can be excited as well. You can have a really good life and still have. So yes, it does hurt. I'm flushing everything out of that skin, and this is just dried up blood. Stop worrying. Stop or panicking. Sebum. And look at his forehead. It's clear. So all that whining you guys did on the comments, oh my God, call CPS, Child Protective Services. Oh my God, put him in jail. Shit, man, shut up. Welcome. And in this video, as you can see, yes, we are doing deep extractions. Deep extractions, if your client can handle the pressure, the pushing into the skin to really get rid of any type of infectious types of nonsense underneath the skin. It's like a war underneath your skin that acne has caused. And if you let it linger around, like our young warrior in this video right here, yeah, he picks at his acne constantly. His mom has told me that he has hard nodules underneath his skin because he keeps picking at it, and he has dirty hands, doesn't wash his hands. And yeah, you can have infected scratches from just your nails. It gets underneath your skin, and it can cause other types of P. acnes as well. So it could be hormonal, it could be from you just being dirty, or stress. Well, that'd be part of hormones as well. All types of stuff. You can be excited as well. You can have a really good life and still have acne, or eat really, really well and still get a few bumps. It's just your time in your life of adolescence. Welcome to the teenage years. And so, yes, this young man right here, he's in 9th grade. And yes, they start early. The youngest I've ever seen was an 11-year-old who actually had 4 crazy bumps. I have no idea where they got them from, but they were horrible. And I extracted the shit out of those 4 bumps, and they were gone. But for him, the one I'm working on right now, yes, this is more of a cystic acne. The parent has informed me that this bump he kept scratching after football practice, because remember, that helmet is dirty. And I've played football, and I've never washed my helmet. I don't remember sanitizing the helmet, washing it. I don't remember my mom putting it in a dryer washer, whatever. Well, you can't put no helmet in the washer dryer, but anyway, you know what I mean. And so right here, this forehead line, because he's good. He's a good wide receiver. He's fast. And he actually starts in JV, Him putting on that helmet, as you can see right here at the forehead, that's where that soft piece of the helmet, the one that collects all the sweat and nonsense in your football helmet, oh yeah, collects the worst bacteria ever besides the chin strap. Yeah, all his acne is literally just on his forehead alone. Everything about his face is perfect, except for just that small forehead area where an athlete would put that helmet. And he also plays baseball. So baseball in the spring, football in the winter or fall. So yes, it does hurt. I'm flushing everything out of that skin, and this is just dried up blood. Stop worrying. Stop panicking. Listen to my voice. It's nice and calm. He's only flinching because this is his first treatment of acne. He's had it pretty rough, and he won't let his mom do what I'm doing. But he's hanging in there. He's only flinching because this is his very first time. So a lot of people got mad at me for releasing this video a couple years ago. Oh, what are you doing? You're a monster. You're mean. Oh my God, you're killing the kid. Motherfucker, there's way worse things to worry about in this world than me extracting acne and improving somebody's skin, the quality of their life, so they don't get made fun of in high school. You see what I'm saying? I'm helping him and his girlfriend out. Now they can both hold hands in the hallway without being ridiculed and joned on and laughed at. Oh yeah, you know what I mean? And look, he got braces and everything. Yo, he about to have perfect teeth, which he does. Fast forward to now, and today's date is December 2nd. Oh no, so sorry. December 4th, 2022. Oh man, this dude about to be prom king and everything. He's a senior. Doesn't have any of these bumps. I will do future video, hopefully right before his prom, so you guys can see the progression of his treatments. And I'm not killing him. I'm not hurting him. See how he relaxes? He's just a baby. You know, men, we can't take no pain. You know how the fuck we are. Shoot, we get a splinter, we be crying. For real, for real. You know? Look. A baby. Yep, because it's right at the temple. Those temple extractions are a bitch, let me tell you. And man, yeah, they can get on you. Even I don't even like popping my own bumps. I will have another esthetician do it for me. Guaranteed. I'm not doing it myself because I can't stand it. Now, if I'm going out on a date or something, okay, I'll try my best. But even then, yeah, it's like murder, for real, 187. So, look, he's just being, a little punk right now, and most men are. That's just how we are. Women do extractions with no problems. As you can see, his sister, in other videos, oh, she doesn't flinch at all. But him, oh yeah, because it's a guy. We are not accustomed to pain. Beauty is pain. And he's just getting his first lesson. Now see this bump. Yeah, that's the cystic acne. And I told the mom, you may have to contact a dermatologist. You're going to have to spend a little money. And not just a regular dermatologist. You're going to have to get like a Dr. Pimple Popper type of dermatologist. A surgical dermatologist. There is a difference for you idiot estheticians out there who keep leaving me nasty ass comments thinking you know it all. No, Dr. Pimple Popper is a surgical doctor, plus she's a dermatologist. She is skilled in both. What other dermatologists in the world did you know are surgeons? It's very rare. You would have to almost pay twice in school. College, I can only imagine her student loan, or maybe her family money. She probably never had to worry about a student loan. But that's double the payment. You would have to seek other higher education, I guess, continuing education, and they're going to charge the shit out of you for wanting to be a dermatologist and a surgeon. That's two different specialties. I hope you guys can understand that. So, I'm not talking to you like you're crazy or dumb. It's just some of y'all get on my fucking nerves about common sense things. Dr. Pimple Popper, like I said, she's like, a blessing for real. Like, she's beyond what most dermatologists will ever aspire to be. Most dermatologists can only diagnose and send away for skin, analysis. They can tell you if you're balding, if you have alopecia, if you have discoloration, vitiligo, revitiligo, all types of internal things. Oh yes, dermatologist is fucking awesome. If you have certain type of cancers, lesions, moles, bumps, macules, oh yeah, irregular types of nonsense on the face, that's where a dermatologist shines. They are awesome at that stuff. If you have certain things around the eyes, certain things inside the nose, or big bumps that need to be extracted, and they need to prescribe medicine, oh yeah, dermatologist is awesome. Or if something's going on with your body with prenatal or any type of, I would say, birth control pills, and you're trying to figure out why my hormones are raging, why is my thyroid having issues, why am I getting severe acne grade 3 and 4, oh yeah, dermatologist is awesome. So with that being said, that bump that I'm talking about, it has to be sliced into. And it's not a lipoma just yet, because it's mainly in his early forms of a cystic acne, because it keeps messing with it. Now, lipoma, you'll start seeing it be hard nodule where extractor tool is going to do no good. The doctor will have to slice into the skin and pull it out under anesthesia or a numbing cream that I don't have access to. That's the goodness about a dermatologist. They have numbing agents that could fry that thing right on out and pull it out, okay? So even if I lancet his skin, oh yeah, that's not going to do anything. The lancet is just going to poke holes into that thick, cushiony, almost like milia. Milia is very hard. I would say that's like the beginning of certain lipomas. Milia is very jelly-like, hard as shit to get out. So just be careful. If it's hard to get out, refer them to a dermatologist. Now, as you guys can see, I cleaned up all the dry blood. And that's basically just the oozing of the infected blood, pus, or sebum. And look at his forehead, it's clear. So all that whining you guys did on the comments, oh my God, call CPS, Child Protective Services, oh my God, put him in jail. Shit, man, shut up. You have to do a teardown mode to make his skin or her skin or whoever's skin look wonderful. Look at him. He's crying because a chemical peel is very stingy. He's never had a chemical peel before. So for your first time, look, you got used to it. Look, it's very active in certain areas. So relax. All the fuckers in the world, whoever, estheticians and to non-estheticians, all y'all on YouTube saying some stupid shit. Look at his forehead now. That chemical peel is now going underneath the skin and gonna fry up that fucking stagnated, irritated, infected blood sebum. Oh yeah, it's gotta go. It's like seeing the vampire in daytime. Oh yeah, UV light, don't play. It's gonna fry the shit out of that vampire. So the people underneath the skin, the vampires, are now being fried out right now. So you're gonna see the blood coagulate or like fuse and cauterize. Just dry up basically. Because that chemical peel is now gonna go underneath the skin. And it's a lactic peel. This lactic peel is a lightener, it's a brightener, which just means that it's more superficial. It's not as deep as a glycolic. Glycolic has a smaller molecule. That smaller molecule is going to go way down into the skin, which for people, skin types 3, 4, 5, and 6 can cause a little bit of hyperpigmentation depending on how many passes you do. So you have to be careful with a glycolic. We can take a glycolic, just maybe 1 pass, 2 at the most, and at only 2 to 3 minutes per pass. So 2 passes, if you do 3 minutes, that's 6 minutes, take it off. That's pushing it. You really only want to do about 2 minutes. Maybe 3, but anything higher than that, 2 passes, that's 6 minutes. Anything past 6 minutes, yeah, you can go into hyperpigmentation, even for people of color. Or I should say hyperpigmentation, or it could be the reverse, hypopigmentation, leaving white marks. So, look at this. Look, he's on his second pass. He can take it. You guys are complaining in the comments. I know you've written me like a million one. Even complain. Try to contact where I'm working and all that. They laughed at you. But you guys are idiots. I'm helping his skin, not hurting him. And now that it's all nice and glowing and shining, I'm going to calm him down with some cold water. In that little bowl over there to the, I guess if you're facing your screen, it's going to be on your left side right there above his head. That's a bucket of cold water or a bowl. That's all it is. For whatever idiot person who said that's a bowl of chemical peel and I'm putting more chemical peel, I don't know what school you went to, but what the fuck is wrong with you? Like, damn, man. Did you read the book? Did you read the Milady's book? Okay, look, let me calm down. Clear the karma. Clear. Shh. Okay. Huh. Breathe in. Exhale for 4 seconds. Okay. So see, my heart rate is back down. Okay. See, idiots bring it out of me. Sometimes this world is filling up with idiots. It's filling up with people that are just moronic. Oh man, I'm trying not to curse. Please forgive me. If you are an aesthetic instructor and you're showing this to your students, please forgive me for cursing and stuff like that. That is not how I do in front of my clients at all. Hell no. Unless I'm cool with you, we down like that, we good peeps. Okay, yeah, we might talk about some shit. But if it's regular people, no, I'm on my best fucking behavior. I'm like, I need that tip. I need that money. So look at him. Look, smiling, cheesing. He happy. Look, there's nothing going wrong. Everything else about his face is perfect. He's a teenager. He's a boy. Hormones. He's raging. He's on the internet doing stuff. You know what I'm talking about. You come up in the room like, yo, what was you just watching? Huh? What? Yeah. He's at that age. You know what I mean? I've been at that age too, for real. And, anyway, that's another story. But see how that bump is right on his forehead? Yes, that is cystic acne. It went down over time, but it was problematic. And so for me to push down so hard, I know you guys are saying I'm going so hard on that skin. If that were true, he would be bruised up. Sometimes, again, as I stated before, you're going to have to put the skin in a tear down mode. You're going to have to do some work. If you are half-assing it as an esthetician, your clients may not come back to you. That's just the truth. Now, if you tell them why you're doing something all dainty and, frivolous, like, oh, hey, let me just do this because I'm scared, and you're really explaining why you don't want to damage their skin, that's something else. But if they're asking you to really get rid of it, see, it's in there. So, yeah, there's nothing I can do about it, because even squeezing, only a little bit of liquid comes out. But over time, like I said, it did go down after several treatments. But the rest of his forehead, we finally got rid of those nasty bumps. He eating Cheetos and whatnot, Doritos, Funyuns, Chico sticks and everything. Like, yo, hey, do they even sell Chico sticks anymore? Like, dang, that shit was good. It was like, really good shit. Yeah. So I'm explaining to his mom right here why that bump is still there, why I cannot lance it or slice into it and do what they want me to do. And there's one right above his head. Yeah, it's pretty big, but for now, this is all we do. They relax, let the chemical peel do its job in the next 2 to 3 days. And now we're putting on some moisturizer with sunscreen, a light sunscreen, nothing that's going to be irritating his skin. Some sunscreens have some, active chemicals in it. So this is to protect him from the sun. I showed him how to wash his helmet, how to at least wipe it out, keep some wipes on him. And that football helmet, yes, that's all his acne is derived from. It's just a sticky, sweaty, not cleaning your helmet. And I looked at his helmet and I showed him that why it wasn't so clean. And yes, trust me, he thought he knew what he was talking about. No, he grabbed his helmet. I showed him, like, this is how dirty your forehead on the inside of the helmet is. It's causing your acne. Nothing else around your face. Your cheeks, chin, nose is perfect. Upper lip, lower lip, neckline, nothing. But that chin strap right at the temples to his forehead, that's where his acne is starting. So he's fine. Relax. Man, take a deep breath. I know what the fuck I'm doing. Seriously, I really know what the fuck I'm doing. Shit. And now he's happy. Like I said, I'm like, yo, the next step, now you gotta keep the girls away from the door. You gotta monitor his phone. Monitor his Wi-Fi activity. Like, yo, who's he talking to? What internet sites is he on? Is he on that XXX? What? Okay, so that's what I told his mom. Next, after the acne's taken care of, it's the women. See, we're all laughing about it now, but that's what we were talking about in the video. Because it's true. We don't need no kids at an early age. No, go to college. Go into the military. Live your life. Please. And that's men and women. Message.